Hello everyone, this is Jagtar Shirgal. Today I'm going to discuss something with you. Many of you call me regarding insurance, how much you can make in this business and how you can survive. So my answer to the question is what you can do for the people and what services you can deliver and how you can deliver. Do you like serving people or you are going to do it for the money? Because if you like giving service to the people and you are willing to put the effort to serve people, then you will get the rewards. So that's the main thing. So today in the morning I came here, I just want to serve people. I want to give some information. So that's my job. I know if I give you service, you will call me for quote, for insurance, or for service, any kind of advice, and then I will be able to earn the money with your trust and by delivering the service. So today I'm going to discuss about life insurance. So term insurance and whole life or universal life insurance, because there's a myth here. Some people say that, oh, just buy term insurance because that's the cheapest and invest the difference. And there's other philosophies asking you to buy universal life insurance because there's more savings and permanent life, and payments don't change, and so many other factors. So it all depends on your needs. So if you have a bigger debt to cover, like mortgage, and you have young family, children to support, and you are the breadwinner only, or and at the moment you need protection, and I feel that term insurance is the better option, because if you are not having enough money but you have a lot of expenses, you need a lot of insurance. Term insurance is the answer. You can get much cheaper insurance. You can get up to $1 million insurance for 35-year-old person and less than $100 per month. So but on the other hand, if you have a long term goal of keeping the insurance, and even though you don't have much more debts, but you want some coverage for your final expenses for later on your life, and you also want your money to be well protected, and you want to get return on your money, either your premiums or the money accumulated in it, then universal life policy is more appropriate, because where even if you pay more premium, it's more expensive, but you get almost all your money back in 25 to 30 years period when you are retiring and when you don't need insurance. So if you're more concerned about losing your money and want to protect whatever you earned, you better get life universal life insurance, where you can pay for 20 years and or 10 years or 15 years, and your policy will be paid for the rest of your life, and you will have granted savings there, you have granted insurance, you have granted premium, and everything is granted premium, how much money you pay and how much money you will get, and for how many years you will be protected rest of your life. So that's the universal life plan. So universal life plan is just like owning something, like owning a car or owning a home, compared to term insurance, which is equal to renting. So owning or renting is neither good neither bad. It's all depending on your choices. Some people like to own, some people like to rent or lease, and so I'm an insurance advisor. It's not up to me to tell you, okay, take this prescription, this is good for you, even though you have a different problem. So doctor never tell you to take only this prescription. Doesn't matter what you say, what problem you have. So we are like insurance expert, just like doctors. So we have to listen to your concerns and your needs every day. Almost all my life since I started in selling life insurance and critical illness from last 30 years, I listen to people and their needs, and then give my advice based on their needs, what they need. But definitely I come up with the solution, because I am the expert and I have to give my opinion based on all the needs and analysis. This is what is, I think, more appropriate for you. What do you think? And then still it's your decision. But just telling that term insurance is best and invest the difference, or no, term is not good, buy universal life, is not true. So it's all based on individual needs. So I sold a lot of people term insurance up to $1 million, $2 million term insurance, and I also sold a lot of people universal life policies, and some of the people's policies are even paid off now, because I'm more so many years in the business. Their policies are now over 20 years or 15 years. Their policies are paid off, and some of my clients now their 20-year term is renewed, and some of them converted into universal life, or they reduced into different form, because at 20-year time the rates goes up. Now when I wrote them about 20 years ago, they were about 35-year-old. Now it's 55. So now their rates supposed to be at 55. But one of my client, now he don't have a good health, he cannot qualify for getting insurance again, so he want to continue no matter what. So his policy renewed, because insurance is written at the time of when you sign the application, after doing due diligence and underwriting with your health questions. If you are healthy at that time of the application, and you get good rates, that rates apply for rest of your life, no matter what happened to your health afterwards. So insurance is good when you get your insurance at healthy age and younger age. That's the time you get cheaper rates and best time to buy insurance. But it's never too late. If you never have insurance, doesn't matter you're 50-year-old or 60, there's always different plans. There are some plans which we can write granted insurance. So even though if you have some sicknesses, as long as you are have some kind of conditions met, you can get insurance at that time. So you can call me at my number 416-831-0215, or you can email me my last name shergill.insurance@gmail.com. So I will give you my best opinion, my best advice. So there's no charge for making an appointment or getting my time. I only make money if I serve your needs, and if you like the product, what you want, if I protect you, protect your family, and policy is issued, only then I get paid. And also another thing in life insurance, there's no harm in applying. Sometimes people don't want to get insurance, but when they are ready to get insurance, they don't get qualified due to medical reasons. So always good to apply and check to see if you qualify for insurance, and if there's any issues with getting insurance. And even if you get insurance and still are thinking about it, you can always, when the policy issued, within 10 days you can return the policy, and all your premiums paid will be returned. So there's no harm in applying, and by applying, at least you get 1 month coverage free, even though you declined it later. But it never happened. Very, very rare people decline it. Who get the insurance, mostly they keep it. But it's your choice. You can decide which way you want to go. But make sure talk to a financial advisor. If you are in Ontario, call me at 416 831 0215, Jagtar Shergill, or my email shergill.insurance@gmail.com. It's a wonderful idea to just check it and protect your family, protect your mortgage, protect your car loan, your children's education, and no matter what happens with your life, because a lot of time people get car insurance. I do car insurance and home insurance and business insurance. I see people getting insurance for $5,000 car. Full coverage means they want collision coverage too and fire and theft. If the vehicle is stolen, they want to make sure they get the money. If the vehicle is an accident, they want to make sure they get the money. But I'm asking, what about yourself? You are a multi-million dollar machine and you don't want to insure yourself, but only want to insure the car for $5,000 worth. So when I ask these questions, many times people get it. I hope you get it too when you are listening to my video. So you or your spouse or your family member, your children, your parents, if anybody thinking to get insurance or you think they should get it, discuss with the family and give us a call. And I'm only a phone call away at 416 831 0215. So please give a call and protect yourself and protect your family and enjoy the life. Thank you and have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.